Good rainy morning. We're here today at it's at the end of Lake Drive in Island Heights. Bit rainy. The tide is still coming in, I think. So yeah, we don't have the greatest of tides. We don't have the greatest of weather. But my car is parked close to the pier, or the dock, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we'll get some traps in the water, and if I have to, I'll duck in my car and just head out to check them every once in a while. Anyway, let's battle through this rain, and I'll get some traps in the water. I'm going to try to keep the camera lens pointing down a bit so you guys don't have to deal with rain droplets all over. Bit of a walk out here to the end of the fishing pier. But you can see over there, nice and dark. I'm not sure if the rain is coming or going yet. Well, it's actually raining already. So it's here. I don't know if it's going to get worse. And that wind is kicking. We got both bunker and chicken today. Not much bunker left, but I'm gonna have to make another trip to the bait and tackle. I usually kind of buy the bunker in bulk, if you want to call it that. I'll pick up like a couple of dozen and just keep them in my freezer. Alright, first trap going in. Alright, traps are all in the water. I am soaking wet. I'm gonna go get the pot trap and put that in the water. Like I said, please forgive any water on the lens. A little hard to avoid it right now. One good thing about the rain is I shouldn't have much competition. Well, you can be pretty sure that the badge lady will be around. Just gonna stick this guy right off the end here. Alright, I'm going in my car. Oh yeah, let me give a shout out to Rod and Rika of the Blue Claw Crabbies YouTube channel. They're the ones that told me about this place. Well, I saw one of their videos and I asked them where it was and they let me know. So I appreciate it if you guys went over there and give those guys a follow. And again, that's the Blue Claw Crabbies YouTube channel. Well, the rain finally stopped, thankfully. Still windy. I didn't even do a temperature check. What we got? 75 74.8, 75. It's fluctuating, probably because of the wind. About 75 degrees. And as you can see, it's just coming up on high tide. Incoming tide's late in the day, but we'll make the best of it. Alright, first pull. Nothing in that one. There's a baby female. And just to make sure I'm not crazy, actually that's a keeper. That's like a 5-inch keeper. Man, my eyes are getting terrible. I need to bring my table out here. That's a first keeper. Flip over. There you go. First keeper in the first pull. I'll take it. That was on chicken. There's a decent one. I don't have my bucket here. You wait right there. Another one on chicken. Let me give a measurement. A rusty old grabbers here. Yes, he keeps moving around. About just over 5, or just under 5 1/4. Nice. Number 2. And not bad, 2 crabs in the first set. A 5 and almost a 5 1/4. How's it going? Another. Yeah.
I was watching you all the time.
Slingshot crabbing.
I see you got Angel.
Yeah. How you doing?
Yeah, I watch. All right. I watching you guys. That's the guy I think he made the video for.
Oh yeah.
YouTube.
I'm always making the videos. What's your name?
Angel.
Angel?
Yeah.
You want to be on the YouTube? You want to be on the video?
Yeah.
I can put you on the video.
Okay.
Hold on a second. Gotta give your name.
His name's Angel.
Angel.
Yeah, I'm from Philadelphia. I'm always crabbing you over here, and I just watching your videos
Oh.
all the time.
You ever crab here before?
Yes.
Yeah? Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hopefully we'll catch a lot today. You usually crab right off of the bulkhead right here?
Yeah.
Is it just as good as out there or what?
Sometimes you got them there, but this side is the better.
Yeah. And brave the rain to come out. Well, I'm gonna get my table out there because I'm tired of kneeling on the floor. I'm gonna put a table out there. Oh, it's nice meeting you, Angel.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Good luck. Well, I got my table. I love this table. I'm so glad I got it. Well, looks like it might turn out to be a pretty nice day. If it stays like this, anyway. I don't think them dark clouds are coming towards us. I think they're going away. Actually, it looks like they're going... That's what's heading towards us. That's what I want. Moving slow, but it is moving. Thankfully, the wind died down. Wow, that's a nice sized one. Missing a back leg, dude. He's got a broken spike too. Well, he's still 5.5. Number 3. Another one. See what she measures. 5.25. Some decent sized crabs here. That's 4, guys. I haven't even been here that long. Oh, that one looks too small. And angry. Well, as you can see, the sun came out. It's getting pretty nice out here now. I like this place. Close parking, plenty of space. The only thing that bothers me is when they don't have a railing. I get a little bit of like vertigo. Yeah, I don't know why. I have a problem with heights, but it also, I think I mentioned it before in another video. It also bothers me when there's no barrier over water for some reason. Get a little weak in the knees when I get too close. There's another one. Rusty female. See what she measures. Just under 5 inches. Another keeper. I'm gonna need to get my clicker. I haven't needed to use the clicker in a long time. Not since, I think, Minturn. What's that, number 5? That's another thing too. So far I only had one small one. One baby. The rest have all been around 5 inches. And another one. Yeah, it's kind of close, but you never know. Gotta get your flipper out of the way. He's just under 4.5. It's a he. Right there, just under 4.5. Count yourself lucky, you almost made the pot. There's another one. Oh, these guys are missing claws. That one's 4 3/4. Another keeper. Brings us to 6. This is a nice place. Here's another one. This guy might be pretty close. Yeah, just a hair too short again. Same trap too. There's a decent one. Five and a half. That's number 7. Turned into a really nice day. Crabbing slowed down a bit. There's one. Decent size. Trying to squeeze through the net. A rusty guy. Again, only one claw. All these guys only have one claw. Just over 5. That's number 8. Another one. Maybe number 9. Yep, just over 4.5. Number 9. Remember to do the clicker. Well, the tide's going out, so I don't know. Let's see how this place does with an outgoing tide. All the crabs I caught were during incoming and slack high tide. You never know. Might change out that chicken soon. It's looking a little ragged. That current is pretty strong too. Feel it fighting me when I'm trying to pull the traps in. Another little one. And I think next pull I'm going to change out this chicken, put some fresh chicken in there. Getting a little bloated looking. Put you guys over here in the shade. Alrighty, all the traps that had chicken now have fresh chicken in them. But yeah, it really slowed down as soon as the tide changed, like to the dot. As soon as it started going out, I just completely stopped catching them. And unfortunately, the incoming tide was in the middle of the night. So I caught the tail end of it by getting here at about 6:15. But yeah, I haven't caught much since. Yeah, I met a few subscribers and stuff like that, and the day is beautiful. It really turned out to be a nice day after all that rain left, those dark clouds. But yeah, I'll hang around for like another hour, hour and a half maybe. And we'll see how we do. Alrighty guys, it's been like an hour since I caught anything. and I think the current's just too heavy here. I can feel it tugging on my trap when I'm pulling the trap in. So I'll hang around for a bit more, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I moved the traps up here near the bulkhead, thinking maybe, just maybe, the current's not as bad here. But yeah, like I was saying, as soon as the tide started going out, that was it. Like a light switch, it just stopped. I didn't even check out this little dock. This one looks pretty new. Well, I'm the only one here now. Everyone else gave up. I'm gonna be heading out myself. I might give it, let's say 2 more poles. I think that's pretty much it for today, though. Anyway. The pot trap is still out there at the end of the dock. I'll check that one before I leave, of course. But for now, we'll just see what happens. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Haven't caught anything in a while. Another person that was crabbing here actually gave me their 6 crabs. So, what does that bring us up to? 14? So at least I'm going home with dinner. More than dinner. Almost enough to make another pot of sauce. But it is what it is. I really enjoyed the day out. Started off a little wet, but got better. Now it's beautiful. Overcast. It's not too hot. The water got really choppy. That might have something to do with it too. I seem to never have luck when the water's choppy. I mean, that could also be a problem. That water gets like mucky, dirty. Well, whatever it is, like I said, I just completely stopped catching any. Oh, we'll give it one more pull, and then I'll wrap it up. Alrighty, guys, the last set. Let's see if we can get one more to take home. Oh, nothing there. There's a little guy. Alright, last trap, and then I'll go check the pot trap. Another little guy fell off the bottom. Alright, well, let's see if the pot trap managed to catch anything. And nothing. I don't know about this trap. I keep trying with it, but except for a couple of times where it caught one small one, That was about it. You know, openings seem big enough. The only thing I'm thinking is maybe it's too far off the ground and they can't figure out how to get in there. I have no idea. These little holes don't seem too big. It looks like it should work. And it's not because I'm not keeping it in long enough, because it's been in for a few hours. I mean, I didn't just get here. I was here since what, 6:30? It's like 5.5 hours it's been soaking, and not one crab got in there. I find that hard to believe. Well guys, I had a good time here at Lake Drive. Very nice place. Convenient parking, pretty quiet. People were nice. No bathroom. And like I said before, not having a railing on the dock makes me a little nervous, but it is what it is. It's not the first time I crabbed on a dock like that. But if you are coming here, make sure it is like right at low slack tide, because it like I said, it was a light switch. As soon as the tide crossed over and started going out again, that was the last time I caught a crab. I crabbed for another 3 hours after that, and I didn't catch any keepers. It just stopped. Everybody left. Nobody was catching anything else. I'm not quick to blame the storm on that one, because well, it was raining hard when I first got here, and that's when I caught all the crabs. I think it was just the current. The current was just way too strong here. I could really feel it when I was pulling in my traps. They were acting like a parachute, and it was pretty hard. And then the water got really choppy too. So maybe it was a combination of both of those. I don't know. But anyway, I still got 8 crab. I'm the only one eating them, so it's plenty for me. And like I said, one of the guys that was here crabbing, he caught 6, and he gave me his 6 crabs. So yeah, I'll have plenty for dinner. Almost enough for another pot of sauce. But I'll probably just steam some in Old Bay when I get home. But yeah, Lake Drive, and it's right at the end. I don't think it has an actual name, not that I've seen anywhere. I think the blue claw crabbies called it Boatyard Dock, but I don't see any signs that say Boatyard Dock. It's at the end of Lake Drive in Island Heights, although the badge lady didn't show up. So I did have the money with me. I was ready to buy another badge, but she did not show up. And yeah, so saved myself a bit of money there. I think it's like $25 for the year or $15 for the day this late into the season. And earlier in the season it's cheaper. But yeah, I would have had to pay. I would have probably paid the $25 just so I could try some other places around here. But yeah, let me get home, get to editing, and please like, share, and subscribe. And also make sure you check out the Blue Claw Crabbies YouTube page. And if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't even have thought of coming here unless I watched their video. So yeah, give them a shot, give them a follow if you can. But yeah, I'll look for another place for next week, and I'll see you all then. Take care.